Hey guys, this is like a very quick video that I want to make. Like, what are the best fitness apps that you can actually use for your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch? So the first one that is like the most popular one is a Samsung Health. Like, I got Samsung. I just want to make this like quick one. Like, it's very good. It connects. I know the reviews like 3.8 is kind of like meh, but this is something that I actually like. So the Samsung Health is kind of like a great one. And what is good about it is that how comprehensive it is. Maybe even if you want to try a Google Fit. So that's like also another one that you can like try, check it out. So then also Adidas running if you want to make like for the sport. So that's another one to check out. And then also like the sport works. So check these out apps. Maybe somebody is going to be beneficial for you. I hope this video provided a little bit of value and have a great day and goodbye.